Hey everyone, welcome to the Reloptix Pimax crystal light install video, which also works for the crystal. Let's start by removing the facial interface by prying from one side, moving to the next. You'll notice your inserts have a magnetic frame and a magnetic base. Let's remove that and place your magnetic frames down. For the base, you're going to want to insert the nasal section first, which is the thin side, and then press down on the temple side. Let's try the other side. Sometimes it's best to use two hands to get the job done right. Nasal, then temple. Now simply just insert your magnetic frame. They'll line up perfectly. After that, we're pretty much good to go. Let's reinstall the facial interface to make sure that the inserts for the facial interface line up before you press down. Otherwise, you can bend them. Alright, there we go. And then just make sure your sensor on the bottom is not obstructed or askew. After that, we're good to go. Please reach out to us if you have any questions.